Hello students, again we start our class, that is programming for problem solving, and it is presented by your faculty Shashwati Paria. So today's topic is string, and it is the second part of string. Previously we discussed the definition of string and how it is used in C programming language. We discussed and gave an example also. So today we start the string function. There are lots of string functions out there. Today we discussed only 3 string functions in this part. The first string function is starlen. So starlen, what is starlen? It returns the length of the string without including end character, that means the null character. As all we know, the automatically null character is included in any string, or in the declaration we are give the null character. So the starlen function only count the character, how many characters are there. That means it counts the total length of the string, not the last null character. So here is the syntax of star length is strlen. Within the first bracket we should write the string name and then after the semicolon. And let's see an example using C programming language. So as we all know, has include str.h. Okay, as because we are define here string, so we have to mention has include string.h. That means this header file contains all the string functions, that means all the string library functions. Next, start the main function int main and declare the string. Char str1 is the string name, then write the size within third bracket equal to the string. I have written here programming in C. Okay, then use starlen within the printf and we are able to count the length of the input string. So printf is used to display the string as but here as we use the starlen function, so it should count the length of the string. So within the printf, length of the string str equal to %d we are using, as it is count the length, so we are using %d format specifier. After double quotation, complete comma, then the string function we written starlen within first bracket str1, as str1 is the string name, and close the printf and give semicolon, and the printf is terminated here, then return 0. What should be the output of this program? Length of string str equal to 14. Okay, so this is the first string function starlen. Okay, and how it is used in C programming is also give in this example. Next, string function is strlen. Strlen counts only the number of string, that means number of characters within a string. It counts, but strlen string function returns the length of the string if it is less than the value specified for maximum length, otherwise it returns maximum value. Okay, so the syntax is strlen within first bracket use string name then the size. So what is the use of strlen? It returns the length of the string. Okay, if it is less than the value specified for maximum length, otherwise it returns maximum value. Okay, so let's take an example. Has include str.h, as we all know. Then has include string.h, as it is we have to specify the string function. Then the start main function, and we declare here char str1 then size equal to within double quotation write the string. Okay, then printf length of the str1 when max length is equal to 30, then give the %d format specifier, comma strlen within bracket str1 then comma 30, and printf is closed, then return 0. Here we could see the output length of str1 when maximum length is equal to 0. Here the maximum length here is 30. Okay, but the actual length of the string is 14. That's why this strlen string function is used. So it's also show the maximum value. Okay, and also the length of the string. Okay, so this is the used about strlen function. This is the second function. Next, we should look at the another string function, that is strcmp. strcmp is used to compare two strings. Okay, it compares the two strings and returns an integer value. If both strings are equal or same, then this function would return 0. Otherwise, it may return a negative or positive value based on the comparison. So strcmp string function is used to compare two strings. So let's see, if string 1 is less than string 2 or string 1 is a substring of string 2, then it would result in a negative value. Okay, if string 1 is greater than string 2, then it would return positive value. Okay, if string 1 equal to string 2, then you would get 0 when you use this function for compare string. So what would be the syntax of strcmp? Write strcmp within first bracket s1 and comma s2. Here s1 is the first string name and s2 is the second string name. Okay, so strcmp string function is used to compare two string. Okay, so let's take an example. As we all know, write has include str.h, then has include string.h for string function, library function. Okay, int main, start the main function, then declare first string char s1 within third bracket the size, beginner's book is the string, then next declaration for string 2, that is char s2 within third bracket the size equal to beginnersbook.com is the second string. Now as strcmp is used to compare two string, so here we should take a checking. If strcmp within bracket s1 comma s2 equal to 0, then what would be the display? String 1 and string 2 are equal. Okay, else printf string 1 and string 2 are different, then return 0. Now let's take a look for the output. String 1 and string 2 are different. For this example, obviously first string contains the beginner's book and second string contains the beginnersbook.com. So obviously string 2 is greater than string 1. So output would be string 1 and string 2 are different. So this is all about the 3 string function. Okay, there are lots of string function. We will discuss it in the next part. Okay, thank you.